Nomawethu, good morning, and can you give us the latest?
Well, there was definitely a lot of drama in court this morning. I wasn't in there when all of this unfolded, but my colleague Mariska Botha was inside of court, and she's here with me just to give us a brief overview. Mariska, what is it that happened in court this morning?
As you rightly said, there was high drama in court this morning. Shortly before proceedings started, Maqubela made her way to her legal counsel, Marius Brooksma, and right next to the bench where he was sitting, she collapsed. We're not sure whether she tripped, whether she fainted. She composed herself, went into the dock. The judge came in and he started reading his judgment again. Maybe 2 lines into the judgment, she collapsed again. The court was immediately adjourned by the judge. Legal counsel disappeared into his chambers, and they came out shortly after and told us that the court will only reconvene at 2 p.m. this afternoon again to give Thandi Maqubela a chance to go see a doctor. Whether or not it's serious or not, we don't know. We'll just have to wait and see.
Thank you very much. That was Mariska Botha, my colleague who was inside of court when Thandi Maqubela actually fainted. Now, I did manage to speak to the Maqubela family, who have traveled all the way from the Eastern Cape for these proceedings, and they are not very happy about this delay. They've had to book flights, they've had to book hotels, so this delay could mean that Judge John Murphy is delayed in finishing in his hand down of the judgment. From yesterday, Judge John Murphy had already read more than 100 pages of his more than 220-page judgment. So we were expecting him to finish today, but it doesn't look like it. We'll only know after 2 o'clock at the stage. Studio.
Nomawethu Solwandle from the Cape Town High Court there on the Maqubela case. We'll give you some more updates.